Here is a high scoring real FE exam problem from engineering economics. It's very easy, it's gonna blow your mind. Let me give you the context of this problem with a fun narration. Imagine you got a cool piece of equipment for $8,000. Fast forward 12 years and it's still kicking, but now worth $4,000. Every year it costs you $600 just to keep it running. Sounds a lot, right? Well, let's crunch those numbers and see what the real yearly cost is with an interest rate of 8%. Buckle up because here comes the math roller coaster. First up, let's talk about the money this equipment is gobbling up over time. We calculate the annual cost of the purchase and the salvage value using some fancy terms like capital recovery factor and sinking fund factor. Sounds like sci-fi, but it's not that complicated. Trust me, I'm gonna make it easy for you. Before we get into the nuances of this problem, let's understand the given. We have the piece of equipment which costs $8,000. That 8,000 is your initial cost P after 12 years. So this 12 years is your number of years N. It has a salvage value of $4,000. This 4,000 is your salvage value S. Then maintenance costs are $600 per year. So it's an annual maintenance cost. That's why I mentioned it as A. That's very important, guys. Then, if the interest rate is 8%, that means your interest rate I will be 8%. Equivalent uniform annual cost is most nearly. That means on annual basis, how much is it costing you in a uniform way? Or that's the question. Now, before we go further, follow my channel for free FE exam problem breakdowns that are very realistic. Many times these problems do come in the actual exam, so I'm giving you free score just by teaching you how to do this. So, subscribe and follow my channel for free FE problems. Let's go. So before I explain you further steps, let me clarify one thing to you to make you understand the difference between cost and salvage. Cost is going out of the pocket. Salvage is the money you will get once you sell the piece of equipment at end of its life period. That means money goes into the pocket. So you can denote salvage as a plus and cost as minus, or salvage as a minus and cost as plus based on your particular understanding of the situation in that scenario. For this particular problem, I am denoting cost as the plus and salvage as minus. Guys, let's write the required for this problem in the simplistic possible way, which will actually help us to crack this problem very, very fast. So, required. On one side, we are needed to find out the uniform annual cost. I am writing it as AC. And what are the kind of cost that is involved? One, we have main maintenance cost, that is annual basis, so annual maintenance, plus what is the other kind of cost involved? The investment, that is P. But this P is going to change. This P was a fixed investment that was made long ago. So we need this P to be distributed on annual basis. That's the only way to find the annual cost. So we are going to find annual cost of investment given the initial investment. That's how we denote it as A by P. At the same time, we also know the annual interest. So I, that is already given. What is given? I is 8%. Okay. At the same time, what else was given? The number of years, N, which is 12. That is also given. So these two we know. We need to find the annual cost of the investment. So now that we're done with annual cost and maintenance cost, investment cost and maintenance cost, we have one more cost associated. That is this is not exactly cost. This is actually the money you will be refunded back. But if you look at it from the cost point of view, since the money is flowing inside and I already gave investment and maintenance going outside the pocket as plus denotation, salvage value will be given a minus denotation. So minus the salvage cost S, but salvage cost is for this problem mentioned as $4,000. That is after 12 years. But in reality, we are trying to find the annual cost. So salvage cost also should be converted on to annual basis. So A given S, annual cost given the fixed salvage cost. We also know the I and N values for this. So guys, this is your golden ticket to solve problems like this. Okay, so first you have to study and understand the problem. You have to understand, is the cost coming into your pocket or going out of the pocket. Then you will be able to find this. Now let me give you an overview about how to find this A by P and also this A by S factors. What we're going to do is we'll find this A by P factor and A by S factor and simply substitute and do the necessary multiplications. So once you multiply and add all these factors together, you will simply get the annual cost. It's very simple problem. But let me walk through how to find these factors from your reference manual. Now we are in our FE reference manual. We simply type interest in your search button and click search, and you'll come to this particular page of your engineering economics. It's page number 131 for those of you who directly want to come over here, but I personally don't prefer to remember stuff. I directly want to navigate it through Control F. Always handy. So once you are here in the interest in this engineering economics page, what we are trying to problem, let's recap again one more time just in case you just lost it. So we want to find two factors called P given A by A given P. Let's do it one factor at a time, but it's all the same. It's the same structure for both of them. So A given P I N, and also the I value and N value. Those are very important for this. The I value is 8% and N value is 12%. Now, when you look at this reference manual, scroll down. Now, these are the tables that we need to focus on. I is equal to 8% and N is equal to 12 years. When you're writing the exam, don't be in any kind of rush, guys, because one small mistake in these math problems, even they are very easy to score, but one small mistake will cost you. So when you're doing your math problems, pay full attention. So N is equal to 12. For this N is equal to 12, we are trying to find A by P. A by P value for N is equal to 12 is 0.1327. Now note that in your solution. From here, so this is the same formula that I was talking to you before, 0.1327. Now this is what we're trying to find, A by F. Usually all these factors will be in the same table, so you'll have no difficulty. So this particular 12, go over here, A by F is 0.0527. Now there you go. We found both the factors. Now all I have to do is substitute this P, S and AM values, do the necessary multiplications and solve it. Very simple. So here we know that the P value from the problem is $8,000. So I substituted that and the factor is 0.1327. We already showed you. So that will be 1061.60. Then we have the S value from the problem, that is 4000. Factor is 0.0527. That will be 210. And you substitute all of them in this formula. That will give you these numbers. A is equal to AM, that is 600 annual cost, plus 1061.60 minus the salvage value, annual salvage value of $210.80. And that is going to give you 1450.80. That. Now 1450 is very close to 1500, so sometimes even that can be given as one of the options. But in this particular case, this is going to be option C. There you go, guys. That is how you solve this problem. Feel free to comment down below you have any kind of questions or doubts. Don't feel shy. I know this could be confusing, but this is a very high scoring topic. I'm not lying. You just have to pay utmost attention when you're solving each and every single one of these steps.